We're back.
What's up?
We're back. We're
Yeah,
back.
yeah. UCT do crazy deals for money.
It be the kid. Wait.
As
Hold on.
Yes. We've seen a few personally, I've seen a few videos with UCT. My video, they don't do the same as the UJ ones and the Vits ones. So it's more nega if you're gonna get better content.
The day for today is, you need to walk up to a guy and ask him, do you like snow bunnies?
Okay. Hi. Do you like snow bunnies? Yeah.
I think.
Oh, I'm gonna love this video.
This is gonna
Hold
be
on. I'm gonna love this video. I would love this video.
There's a historical
I don't-
significance.
I don't give a shit.
I mean,
Oh, little white girl come and ask
who
me.
with
if I
your
like
African
snow
inferiority
bunnies.
complex? What do you think you're gonna say?
Yeah. Yes.
Exactly.
Okay, sorry. I love white women.
Post teach.
We just got 200 rand for catching a ball on this brother's channel over here.
Hey, he be the kid. If you catch this ball, I'll give you 200 rand cash.
Free money. I want to thank my dad. I just got lunch money for free for cheap, man. Over catching a ball. I get
That's
balls
lunch
every
for
night.
3 days.
Come on, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Type 419 Forex Trader. Follow my page. I'm
Okay,
joking.
crazy. Buy my course right now. Listen, guys, the point of this video now is we're going to be doing a 20 rand challenge. We're basically going to give away 20 rand. What's up, who?
Baby, listen, it's not.
It's all over. Don't cry, don't beg. It's all over. So I gotta go, please.
Crazy. But basically, we're giving away 20 rands to people who do the day that we tell them.
For 20 rand, I dare you to go get that girl's number.
You're just a civilian. You want to bamboozle me. Do you know me? Do you know me?
Getting numbers is the easiest thing to do. Please don't dare me to do that.
Now having sex.
It's too, yeah, that's where the real day is. Let's see if somebody is willing to
Sexual
submit
sex,
to you.
not the other ones.
It's not sex, but that's a topic for another day.
I'm so sorry.
It's a
We
topic
didn't
for
mean it like that.
Play the trailer. We're here today with
Zoe.
Zoe. So obviously we're doing a 20 rand challenge today.
Sure.
And is that your friend over there?
That is my
You
friend.
wanna come through? Okay, so basically you have to give her a dare, and if she does the dare, she gets 20 rand.
Okay. I can't think of anything. I dare you to ask that guy.
What would you dare her?
Yeah, who? This girl.
Yeah.
I'd rather not say it.
I'm too jacked up for innocent games.
I'd
It's
rather
like,
not say it.
I over there for his number.
That guy over there for his number. The one wearing green. The dark skin
The
man.
girl.
Might not be his girlfriend. You don't know. What's telling me?
women are evil.
He's cute.
She's
I
getting killed.
think he's cute. I'll do that.
We need footage.
Okay, I'll do that.
Are you excited?
Not really.
Speaking to the mic.
Okay. Hi.
Really, nigga?
I just wanted to tell you that I think you're very cute. And so are you. Nigga.
Okay,
We did.
Number.
there's your 20 rand.
Thank you.
Didn't they say number?
They said number.
What kind of a cop out is this? And that girl's holding weed. You could have had a shot.
It's Zoe Jones, Z.OE
I'm
Jones.
just saying.
Today
It's,
we're
like, it's not hard to upgrade from a girl who smokes weed. Come on. I can do that today.
Doing the 20 rand challenge, obviously you have to do a dare and you get a 20 rand. Simple as that, bro. I just won this money and I'm trying to give it back to the people. What are we saying?
Me.
Are you in?
It depends, bruh. Like, I do anything except talk to girls.
What the fuck does that mean?
Don't scare you,
I'll
why?
go home now. Really?
Scared of women.
Yeah.
You have a bad experience.
Nah, I'm just so nervous, bruh.
Okay, give him a dare and then if he does a dare, he gets 20 rand.
Yo, what you gonna make him do?
That's free money, bro.
What you gonna make him do?
Get the price number.
Get the bruise number.
Yeah.
Same as go get a guy's number. Are you ready?
For what?
I can dial him.
Why are you?
I'd rather walk up to a
Which
guy
one?
and
Just like on the
let's
bra
fight.
level.
Let's rather fight.
That's a good day.
Why the fuck do I want your number?
Yeah, because
How do you convince a guy to give? Okay, let me ask you this question. How can a guy convince you to give him his number? To give him your number?
he can't, but I can give him the number. Wait,
What
no,
for?
I can ask for the number. I would never give a number. I
Yeah,
would
but you
ask
must
for it.
get the number. That's the thing.
Oh, come on, I'm charming.
To whom?
To people, I have charisma. I could get your number.
Fuck you.
Can I do?
Number. Are you ready?
I can dial him, man.
Why are you gay?
Oh,
Wait.
which one? So it's like
So he wants to go to guys, but he doesn't want to go to girls. It's over for this guy.
on a bra level or on a...
You must chase him.
Nah, not that. That's weird, man. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I
now
saw-
it's weird.
Sorry, I just saw you from across the way and like... I just like the look that you got going on, man.
What look?
Like, I'm trying to get to know you still, man.
Why would you use that?
And why is he standing so far? He's scared.
Why would you say it like that?
Like the way you look. Your look.
You could have
You
said
want
that to
my
a girl.
number.
That, come on.
Wait. I need to give them a very important piece of information. This country is not going anywhere. We're fucked.
You know, I'm kind of jealous of the Palestinians, and we also need a war right now. We need a war.
We need a sense of
We need
being.
men.
A sense of belonging. Here we are just being, we are alive for no reason. It's too safe here.
In a nice way, but like.
I used up all my riz on that guy, bro. Like, need to recharge now.
I think personally that he just rejected you, and it's not about the farming thing. But
What
This
like
game's
is
the
this?
see
game.
this one.
Nah, guys, good luck.
No, you
Throw
what
the
that?
line somewhere. Throw the line somewhere.
Right here, it works, bro.
Throw the line somewhere. I don't like to play in the snow, guys. That's my excuse.
Just say, yo, let me get your number.
I don't need the money. Cheers, man. Samuel, step up.
It's not about the money, it's
Nah,
about you backing
listen
down,
here
bro.
about my guy here. My guy here, the wrestler in
Dude, you've been
action.
talking about guys ever since you came on here. Like, slow down.
You need to take one for the team. Samuel Samai, I'm saying your ID number also. 0404.
But anyway, bro,
Step up for the man.
at least you tried, bro. Shout out, bro. I appreciate you, no?
0404.
2004, April.
Shit, how does he know it? No, whoa, 2004 that's university. Fuck, it's because Yahamba.
Thanks, guys.
Shit, it's
Game is a
actually
game, like-
possible, eh?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Because I'm like, no, it's my number. But yeah, actually.
But 2004, you are 19.
I tried my
I'm gonna
best.
buy you inches.
No, man. Oh, yeah, fuck.
Give me the money, give me the money, give me the
I
money, give me
don't smoke.
You lie.
I don't. If my mom is watching this, I don't smoke.
So we have a new video.
Okay.
Okay, so basically, you just have to do a dare. One of your friends must give you a dare.
Fuck, okay, yeah.
If you do the dare, you get a 20 rand.
Okay, yeah.
What if waste you?
Nice.
Hey, what?
Yeah, like nice belly button.
Hey,
Jesus
clean the
Christ.
cover.
Oh, that's the waist.
If you've never held a girl's waist with one hand, I feel sorry for you, my brother. I feel sorry for you.
Okay, give her a dare.
Hey, do a cartwheel here.
Cartwheel.
Cartwheel.
You did ballet. I know you can do a cartwheel.
Are you actually serious? You want me to do a cartwheel?
Yeah, please.
Oh, I need more money than 20 rand then.
Yeah? I don't deserve this, fam. You understand?
I
None
like
of
her.
us
She's smart.
No, she's not.
Okay, I will not sign her.
She's a dumb capitalist. Just for that?
deserve this blood.
A cartwheel and also guy for his number 40 rand.
No, 40 rand. No, 100 rand minimum. I'm not.
60 rand. 60 rand, my last deal.
No.
My sister,
Then a cartwheel for 20 rand. Then.
Cartwheel and I'll ask someone for their number, 100 rand.
I need to make the money stretch. I have to make the money stretch.
Yeah, but are the other people really worth it?
I think they might be though.
find another
Look at
girl.
this
There's a
person
bunch
with
of girls here. Why are you still
crazy.
talking to her?
100 rand, 100 rand.
40 rand.
60 rand.
Deal.
80.
No, 60.
How can you say deal and then...
So many people are negotiating with this one
60 cartwheel
girl.
and also guy for his
No,
number.
100 rand. I said,
Nah, come on, dog. You're trying to scam me,
She has no
bro.
leverage.
60 rand.
Move on.
yo, I'm broke, but I'm not that broke.
That's free money though. We're giving out 20 rands. You just have to do a dare that they give you.
I'm Imtital. Everyone calls me Imti.
Really like something
It
chilled
has to
though.
be something really embarrassing. It has to be
For
something
20
really
rand. Can we make it 60?
Can she partake in it? I want you, the couple, do a proposal for us right over there.
They dating.
No ways.
What's the big thing? You're
I
already
would definitely
dating.
do it.
Don't do this shit.
Even if we're not dating, I'll
Take,
definitely do it.
take that money, spend it on another
Wait,
girl.
what-
Men are trash. Who cares?
What would you dare me to do?
Okay, give her in.
Oh my god.
Okay, can you hold it?
But you guys must shout to make it seem cool.
No. How much money do you
20 rand each.
get? 20 rand? Okay, valid.
When you spend it on another girl, like a real man.
I need to make the money stretch, but sure.
Surely 40.
I only got these many 20s. I need to do. This is my third person. We're all gonna have to shout now when he does that.
Do it, bitch, do it.
I'd say go stand there, very
Yeah,
far.
in front of everyone, right?
Yeah.
You gotta do the whole thing.
It doesn't really matter if people know that it's fucking game. Fucking idiots.
That's why I was wearing a pink top. Fuck him.
That was a trick. Will you marry me?
This is a flop. This is a flop.
Get
Is
another
it-
girl.
is
She's
it
not
20?
compliant.
Is it 20?
Why are you giving
Is it
away your
20?
money?
That was a flop. They actually scared me low key, but it gets like that.
No,
I
you
just
have too much money. You're busy spending it on what's these things, wave caps, and just flipping.
And beard oil.
Yeah, you have too much money. That's the problem.
obviously linked up with some snow bunnies.
Hello.
You know what a snow bunny is?
What?
A snow bunny.
No.
Okay. But anyway, listen. Basically, today we're doing dares. You just have to do a dare. You're given a 20 rand. She has to give you a dare, but I'll give you a dare today.
Okay.
So the dare for today is, yeah, you need to walk up to a guy and ask him, do you like snow bunnies?
Okay.
Wait, what about me?
We do not care.
There has to be a black guy.
Why do you wanna?
Hi. Hi. Do you like snow bunnies?
Snow bunnies.
Yeah.
What
I
did
don't
he say?
know.
What did he say?
I don't know.
Snow bunnies.
Yeah. I don't know.
Real life snow bunnies.
As opposed to what?
Bro, I don't know why she done a thumbs up, bro. She just left, dog.
I don't know what he said.
What did he say?
Like real life. What did I don't know. I think.
Comprehension is a
interesting.
problem,
Here's
and you made it to UCT. What AP score are they using? What AP score are they using? I could have went there. I didn't even get what's that thing? A distinction. Could have went there. Fuck it.
I hope UCT, the
Dean of Students
dean is
is
watching
under
this.
administration. I don't want him to watch. I don't care.
They're reviewing all the APS scores that are being.
Hey, what the hell is this?
Thank you.
Walk up to a girl and tell her you don't like her hair.
Hi. I really don't like your hair.
Why?
Are you trying to get punched?
Thanks.
I stay getting scammed, I can't lie.
You're with Meyer.
Bro, we're basically doing dares today. If you do a dare, you get some money. You get a 20 rand.
Okay, cool.
I dare you to go take a bite of another person's food.
Ish,
No.
but what if I get like some disease?
Okay, I'm not gonna do
You
that.
see, those are the type of things you get stabbed for, and I can't complain.
Yeah, but yeah.
Nah, you can't eat someone else's food.
Yeah, I'll kill you.
No.
There's something, you know what I mean?
You think Africans have disease?
What?
Nah.
Go to take a bite of another person's food.
Ish, but what if I get like some disease or something, you know what I mean?
Disease from food.
You think Africans have disease?
Nah.
Go to that lady there and ask her. Just ask her, can I have that? Is that milkshake, please, baby?
Okay, deal. Hi. Can I have the rest of that, please? Of your Coke? No. Ish, I'm thirsty.
I want to allow you to and that girl looks nice. Hey, what the girl in the candle?
Do you mind though?
Akhumbula uBrahim Masekela.
It's gonna be like, oh, if I give you Coke, you're gonna give me like 10,000 rand.
Yeah. Ayaphupha.
This is not that show, sweetheart.
Ayaphupha.
That's not that show.
Yabona. Hey, futhi ngibufike kahle la ezandleni zami.
This is Cash
Into
Crusaders.
yokubuka yona. Se yidle la udayisa khona into zakho. Iphone shop le baba ngidla ibudget ila ibudget.
That's not gonna happen.
10,000. Yes.
That's
Maybe.
not gonna happen.
I guess if you give it, you'll find out. Please.
There's a tab in the bathroom.
In the bathroom. Yeah, she's not messing with you, man. You could have said a couple of things, smoothing the conversation, but fuck.
I'm thirsty though. Thanks. God bless you. Thank you.
I think I should give her 20 rand and give you the 40 rand.
Yeah.
Because we took her drink.
Yeah, I think that's fair enough.
You get a 40, she gets.
I can give it.
Oh yeah, go give it.
He's gonna run.
Ish. Thanks, man. Oh, thank you for your drink.
Give it back.
For the camera. Thanks. Have a good day.
He's a sick fuck. He's gonna drink it.
He's gonna drink it.
Just give it back.
Oh, she is cute.
So what does that mean?
What do you want from me?
This is why this country is failing.
She's cute.
It's this comprehension.
She's cute.
How the fuck is that gonna help you with the drink?
It's not supposed to.
At the end of the day, life is about giving, and today we gave out so much money to so many people, made so many people.
lying,
And
'cause
wait,
where's
this
the
is
flex?
like a message to you guys: like, stay giving, make people happy, live a soft life,
Those are
and
some
praise God.
fucked up chips. I don't even eat chips, but what the hell is that?
Like a message to you guys: like, stay giving, make people happy.
What the hell is this? I could have done this myself. Cutting the potatoes with the fucking nail
And
clipper.
why is
or
the person
something.
eating this shit so untidy?
Nah, man.
Live a soft life and praise God, bruh. Anyway, see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Almost at the 100K, boy.
Out there.
Okay, nah. I'm fucking disappointed in this video. It was good, but the days were too weak. Could have done this in a high school.
The snow bunny one.
It's too
And
weak.
it's not the days themselves, it's the... He let the participants get off.
Yeah, it gave him too much leverage. It's
Yeah.
like, my guy, you're the one with the money.
Like,
why are we negotiating?
You just
here?
whispered, would you marry me?
And you gave that guy.
You gave that guy money.
You could have actually,
Including the friend of the person. Come on.
dude, you could have just tripped those people off the stairs. And, like,
You
kept
could have
it-
just
kept
give it to
going.
me.
But anyway,
I would have done the
UCT.
helicopter.
I told you. I told you. UCT sucks. I told you.
If you come to UJ, we do the helicopter.
Have you seen girls with like NQA level 15?
And helicopter. Wait a second. No. You are not gonna make me seem like.
Nah, I'm cool. Anyway, please like, subscribe, and suggest any other videos you want us to react to. Please suggest, we'll give you a shout out. We want to get to 500 subscribers. So hit the subscribe button and come back for more
Yes.
videos.